Hello dear judges, I'm Jahja Nur Zulbeari, student at Yahya Kemal College from North Macedonia. I'm so happy to participate for the second time in this competition, but this time I'm participating in programming category. As you know, I'm student at Yahya Kemal College, and during the classes I always felt that I was missing something more modern and compact to integrate all the knowledge that I gain in my studies, assess my performance. I therefore wanted to offer a solution to this problem, so I created a modern website based on user interface and user experience, where guests get more information and students through login can access to a personal learning and performance platform. This is homepage of our website, especially created for guests, which contains lots of information about the school, which also is relative. This website is created with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's get started now. Here we have the About section, and here we have some informations. Also we have a button, Learn More button, who directs us in a different page who shows us some information about the school. Here we have our lessons sections, which I had some difficulties in styling it because in the same time I tried to make that relative. It contains different kind of contents like images, buttons, linked text. Also this one is relative, yeah. Here we have our expert teachers. Here we have some information about the teachers, something like that. This is the contact us section. From here you have to fill out those. So after filling those, when you click send now, it will automatically send us a message what you have written there. And in the end we have the footer, which contains some quick links, contact informations and school locations. Now let's test the relativity of the web page. How you can see, it's in a good condition. We have the main page here, we have the menu, also the login form. Now let's try to log in. This is login form, and the pop-up animation is created by JavaScript. Now I have to enter my username here. In the student section we have 4 different pages, and one of them is the fun page. Let's take a look at my grades page, which is still under construction because I didn't have enough time to finish all of them. If you qualify me, you will see all finished website. Now let's see the different section, which is Yahya Kemal College Online. It automatically directs us to an online learning platform, which is a Moodle. Now let's continue with the games part. This is fun page, which contains 2 different games, mostly created with JavaScript. The first game is ball game, which you can control the ball with the arrow keys. And the second game is the snake game, is the popular snake game with the scoreboard. Now here we have also the contact and footer sections. And this was my responsive website created for my school, and hopefully you like it. And if I qualify, you will see a fully completed website. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Firstly, I would like to say thank you for qualifying me to the World Finals. Here I have added 2 different sections. The notes part. Let's take a look to the notes part. This is my notes. Here we have a place that you can write something. We can save this one by clicking add button. It will be saved here. Let's say if you want to add a paragraph, if you want, you can add your homework. Now here, let's say that I want to search about let's add one new IT homework. Let's say development, and by the search bar we can search about IT, and it will show us the IT homework. Let's say we want to search about the paragraph lorem ipsum about math homework, and if we want to delete those, we can delete them just simply by clicking the delete buttons. Also, this data is stored in local storage and mostly is made up of JavaScript. Here we have some codes from JavaScript. Now let's take a look to the grades part. Here is the grade calculating part. Let's say I will add some points here. If we click total, it will automatically show us the total of marks or the points. If we click average, it will show the mark average, and if we click the grade, it will automatically show the grade. Let's decrease the points and see what will happen. The average will decrease, the total will decrease, also the grade will be decreased. Let's add some numbers which are greater than 100. And if we click total, it will automatically show us the error. Please enter marks in range of 100.